Okay, this is the main temple of the Besakih. Uh, the space is very huge here with the beautiful temple building. And when you look left side here, this is traditional gamelan. These beautiful sounds made by the local Balinese young people there. The entrance gate is made a very huge height and made from the lava stones. It's beautiful, ornamented by the Balinese architecture. The Bali buildings is very beautiful designed with the Balinese ornaments, yellow gold, and this is the place for where some of the offerings putting down there during the temple ceremony. Meanwhile, on the right side of my hands, or the left side of the temple area, this is the long Bali building, where some of the offerings can put during the temple ceremony. This Bali building is very beautiful, designed with the Balinese architectures. You can see the rooftop. There's the Balinese ornament was ornamented the wall of the Bali building. This building is take length around 30 meters or more than 500 meters. The top of the temple here consists of the temple building, where it's based on a Balinese Hindu. This temple is worshipped for the three goddesses, Vishnu, Brahma, and Shiva. And the unique thing is when we do the offering here, we got the 3-2 necklace made from the rope, color rope. This is 9 colors. It's beautiful, made it and put wrapped on your hands here. So, sir, the necklace ready now, so we put on my hands. I got lots already necklace like this. We call it 3-2-3, but nowadays we got 9 colors difference. It's very beautiful. This is powerful. This is not the normal necklace here, but this is very powerful necklace. It's according to the Balinese belief, to keep your safety, to keep your balance. A lot of things is proposed for it. There is not only the Balinese local Hindu people who want to pray in this temple. You can also see the 3 tourists also join with us here. And today is it's a very wonderful day. And but it's pity now. It's a little bit cloudy. Whereas normally with the clear weather, we can see the beautiful Mount Agung as a backdrop of our pictures behind of this temple. Since they are still practice, they do daily practice using the gamelan. These very unique things you can see in Besakih Temple. Step down to entering the second level of the Besakih Temple here. There's a lot of space also available here. And this is the entrance gateway made from the black stones, lava stones, when the Mount Agung eruption. It's a very huge building. And with the wooden doors ornamented with Balinese architectures. Before we go down, step down to these 100 up step, we see the beautiful panorama down there. And you can see how huge the temple, Besakih Temple is. So this is the place you have to go and visit during your holidays in Bali. The left side, on the right side, here there's a lot of statues, beautiful statues, and those are also ornaments the Besakih Temple. That's the reason is why many tourists come to here every day. And also, if you like to join the tours, we recommend you to contact the local travel agency or the reliable company like Bali Star Island or PTB's International Tours. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like the